How to sign into Peacock. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign into Peacock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically sign into Peacock, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Peacock application here. And once you launch the Peacock app, you will see this type of interface where first of all you might want to pick a plan if you have not created an account. But if you already have an account, you can just tap the sign in option located at the top right hand side. Then all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your email address associated with your Peacock account, or you can simply also enter your password and then tap the sign in option. If your details are correct, you'll be successfully signed in. If you don't know what password you typed in, you can tap the I button over here to view your current password as well, and then you can just tap the sign in button. This way you can sign into Peacock. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.